Welcome to Guitarmageddon. Let's start shredding. Today we're going to go over our root position, first inversion, and second inversion, minor chord shapes. I'm going to put it in the context of A minor so that we can put it into 1-4, 1-5 chord progression right away. So, a lot of people are familiar with this A minor shape. If we take this top three strings, that's actually a root position A chord. Oftentimes, I will put my index behind the nut here to make an imaginary chord. This is the chord shape. It's a stack just like this. You can take that 12 frets higher to fret 14. That helps you visualize it. But we have root position, A, C, E. We have first inversion, C, E, A. And then we have second inversion, E, A, C. And then it just repeats itself back to A, C, E. So I just so happen to have an A string right here on string 5. And there's all kinds of sweet things we can do. So we've got our 1-4, 1-5 stuff all there. A is going to represent the A string is going to represent your 1 chord, A minor. The D string is going to represent your 4 chord, D minor. And the E string is going to represent your 5 chord, E major. We're going to symbolize those chords. We're going to abbreviate them, if you will, just on the top 3 strings with these 3 chord shapes. So when I go for A, then I can come up here, get a different sound. So that's all in the 1 chord. In the 4 chord, I have D here. Now this first position D chord everyone's familiar with is actually just the second inversion D chord, but most people commonly use the D string in the bass. We're going to recycle the D in the bass, but we're going to do this root position shape, the staircase, and I'm going to recycle that D in the bass. And then of course we've got first inversion. And then when I come up here to, I'm just going to repeat myself again. Now for the 5 chord, we have to do a major chord. So we might as well talk about the major chord shape. Instead of, I'm going to use A as a quick example. I'm going to add my finger 2 for first inversion. That's going to make it major. That's a convenient one to do on fret 12 here. Because we have a fret 12 E, the double dot. This is a handy one to do first inversion on. Now I have an E on string 2, right over here on string 2, fret 5. Everybody knows that. So I can use this second inversion shape here. And then last but not least, I have the actual root position of E. So I'm going to have to find an E on string 3. And of course, that's going to be right here on fret number 9. Everybody knows that. So, with those 3 chord shapes, and with a basic knowledge of 1-4-1-5, we can go A, then D chords, then E minor major chords, Thanks for tuning in, and let the shredding begin.